Welcome to You Are Undefeated, the place where you break limits and achieve success. Today, we'll explore how to set smart goals to turn your dreams into reality. Ready? Let's dive in. In the bustling city of New Haven, where ambition and dreams intertwined like the vines on the old brick buildings, lived a young woman named Clara. Clara was no ordinary dreamer. She was a planner, a believer in the power of structure to turn aspirations into reality. Yet, despite her relentless drive, she often found herself overwhelmed by the vastness of her goals. It was during a particularly reflective evening, surrounded by a sea of scattered notes and half-finished projects, that she stumbled upon the concept of SMART goals. This revelation would become the turning point in her journey toward success. The first element Clara embraced was specificity. She realized that her dream of becoming a successful graphic designer was too vague to guide her effectively. Instead of simply wishing to be a designer, she refined her goal to create a portfolio of 10 diverse design projects by the end of the year. This clarity transformed her approach. No longer was she floating aimlessly. She had a clear target to aim for, which ignited a sense of purpose in her daily activities. With each project she completed, she felt a surge of accomplishment, reinforcing her commitment to her dream. Next came the importance of measurability. Clara understood that without a way to track her progress, her goals could easily slip into the abyss of forgotten dreams. She decided to break down her portfolio project further, setting milestones for herself. Each month, she aimed to finish 2 projects, one focusing on branding and the other on digital illustration. She created a simple spreadsheet to log her progress, marking off completed tasks with a satisfying click. This visual representation of her achievements provided motivation, and as the months passed, she found herself not only meeting her targets, but often exceeding them. The satisfaction of checking off each milestone became a powerful motivator, fueling her creativity and determination. However, Clara soon realized that setting goals without considering their achievability could lead to frustration. While it was exhilarating to dream big, she needed to ground her aspirations in reality. She reflected on her current skills, time constraints, and resources. Instead of aiming to create a portfolio that would rival the top designers in the industry overnight, she focused on what was attainable given her experience level. She enrolled in online courses to enhance her skills and sought feedback from peers and mentors. By ensuring her goals were achievable, she built a foundation of confidence that propelled her forward. Each completed project was a testament to her growth, reinforcing her belief that success was not just a distant dream, but a reachable reality. Relevance was another critical aspect that Clara had to consider. It was essential for her goals to align with her broader life aspirations. She took a step back to evaluate her career trajectory and personal values. Clara realized that while she loved design, she was equally passionate about using her skills for social impact. With this insight, she pivoted her portfolio projects to include designs for nonprofit organizations and community initiatives. This shift not only made her work more fulfilling, but also connected her with like-minded individuals who shared her vision. The relevance of her goals infused her projects with purpose, transforming her journey into one of passion rather than mere obligation. Finally, Clara understood the significance of time-bound goals. Without deadlines, even the most ambitious plans could languish indefinitely. She set a firm deadline for each project in her portfolio, ensuring she had a structured timeline to follow. The urgency of these deadlines spurred her into action, making procrastination less tempting. With each completed project, she celebrated small victories, which kept her momentum alive. The pressure of time, rather than being a burden, became a catalyst for her creativity and productivity. As the year progressed, Clara's portfolio began to take shape, a vibrant tapestry of her growth and dedication. She showcased her work at a local art fair, where her designs caught the eye of a prominent design firm. The culmination of her efforts, built on the SMART framework, led to an offer that would change her life. Clara's journey was a testament to the transformative power of setting structured goals. Each element, specificity, measurability, achievability, relevance, and time-bound, played a crucial role in her personal and professional development. Reflecting on her experience, Clara realized that the SMART Goals framework was not just a method for achieving her aspirations, it was a mindset that could be applied to any area of life, whether it was personal growth, career advancement, or even relationships. The principles she learned could guide her toward success. With her newfound understanding, Clara felt equipped to tackle future challenges, confident that with the right goals, she could turn any dream into a reality. The city of New Haven, with its vibrant energy and endless possibilities, felt more like home than ever, and Clara was ready to embrace all that lay ahead. Setting the right goals is the first step to achieving success. Start applying them today and get closer to the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more inspiring content. See you in the next video, because you are undefeated.